Most of the Linux distributions follow a standard called File System Hierarchy Standard, which defines where certain kinds of files are stored. Let's take a quick look at the standard for the file system. It's better to understand how things are organized. Root is the highest level of the organization hierarchy, which is represented by /home. We have already seen where user folders are stored, root where root folders are stored, etc. where most of the programs keep their configuration files, bin and sbin where the system relies, lib where shared libraries are kept, dev keep the references where all the hardware is stored like processor, RAM, hard drive, etc. MNT where local and remote file system are mounted. Media where USB drives and optical drives are mounted. Proc store the current processes. Sys store the technical information about system kernel. Subscribe for more videos.